Today we will do some practice exercise of exercise 1.3. Here the first question is express 0.7 bar in the form of P by Q and Q is not equals to 0. Now we know that the method to solve this 0.7 bar. For this, let x equals to 0.7 bar, which is equals to 0.777 so on. Now here only the one digit repeated, so we take it as first equation and multiplying it with 10. Multiply equation first by 10. Therefore by multiplying x with 10 we get 10x, and by multiplying 0.777 with 10 is 7.777 so on, and this can be written as 10x equals 7.7 bar. Now take it as second equation, and we know that we subtract equation second first from second when the digit after the decimal becomes same. Here the digit after the decimal is 0.7 bar. Now here is also 7 bar. Now subtract equation first from equation second. So we get 10x minus x equals 7.7 bar minus 0.7 bar, which is equals to 9x equal 7.07 bar minus 7 bar, which is equals to 0, and this can be written as 9x equals 7 and x equals to 7 by 9, which is in the form of P by Q, and here Q equals to 9, which is not equal to 0. This is the answer number first. Now answer number second is express 30 by 100 into decimal form. Now 30 by 100 we have to convert into decimal form. Now 0 and 0 cancel out, which is equals to 0.3, because here is only one 0 after 1. Therefore we put the decimal after one digit from the ending. Now the one digit is 3.0, now which is equals to 0.3. Now answer number 3, which is express 0.25 bar in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. And we know that first we consider let x equals to 0.25 bar. Now the bar is only on the single digit, that is 5, and there is two digit after the decimal, that is 0.25 bar. 2 and 5 two digit after the decimal, and bar is only on single digit, that is 5 bar. Now first we convert it into the decimal form from like that. First we multiplying it by 10, because here is only one digit after the decimal where the bar is not present. Now by multiplying we multiply equation, here it is equation first, by 10, we get 10x equal, when we multiplying it with 10 we get 2.5 bar. This digit when we multiply 0.25 with 10 we get 2.5. Now the digit is 0.25 bar, therefore we get 2.5 bar. Now this is equation second. Now after the decimal there is single digit which have bar, so we again multiplying this equation with 10. Now multiplying equation second by 10, we get 10 into 10 100x, and when we multiply 2.5 with 10 we get 25, and here the bar is 5, so we get 5 bar. Now 25.5 bar, because here the digit 5 is repeating, that is 555 so on. When we multiplying we get 25.555 so on. and here is 25.5 bar. This is equation number 3rd. Now the digit after the decimal becomes same, that is 5 bar and 5 bar. So we subtract these two equations. Subtract equation 2nd from equation 3rd. We get 100x minus 10x equal 25.5 bar minus 2.5 bar, which is equals to 100 minus 10 equal 90x equal 25 minus 2 is 23, 5 bar minus 5 bar is 0, which is equals to 90x equal 23 and x equals to 23 by 90. Here P and Q, which is in the form of P by Q, and here P and Q are integer. 23 is integer, 90 also integer, and Q, which is equals to 90, is not equals to 0. This is the required form.